Hi everyone, more updates coming from the Jumeirah Islands project. So today I'm going to show you the landscape area. This is the front of the villa and we have a reflection pool here. We have completed the steel works and now we have pump coming in today and tomorrow to do the guniting. On the back side, swimming pool rebar is done and today we are doing the gunite works. Let's go have a look. So this is the back side of the villa. We have 12.5 meters swimming pool. The guniting work is in process now. And this is a bay area where we will have sun loungers on this side. With the pool, we have three things here. First is obviously the overflow tank for the pool. And then we have a pump room where we have all the equipment stored. And this one is an underground water tank. This was something we later took approval from Nakheel and Turkeys. So the idea was to have a water storage and then we'll have a pump in the pump room, a pressurizing pump, so that the water in the outlets of kitchen and bathroom, we get highly pressurized water. So the showers and all the other things work fine. So again, the gunite works is going on in full swing right now. On this side of the landscape, we have designed a diamond seating area. So basically, this area is going to be raised 15 centimeter with LED cove light around it, and this will be an elevated seating platform. That's all the update from Jumeirah Islands. Please stay tuned for more project videos. Thank you.